In today's digital age, protecting sensitive information is paramount. Introducing the Tscm Kit, your comprehensive solution for technical surveillance countermeasures. The Tscm Kit includes 4 advanced tools, designed for professional surveillance countermeasures. First, the Dark Compass. This state-of-the-art signal analyzer excels in spectrum analysis and deep protocol analysis. From Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to cellular and digital radio, the Dark Compass detects and analyzes signals with precision. Its direction-finding capabilities ensure you pinpoint the source of any threat quickly and accurately. With the Dark Compass, you will stay ahead of any potential security breaches. Next, the Sword 24S. This nonlinear junction detector operates on second and third harmonics, providing unmatched detection of electronic devices, even those hidden or powered off. It's your go-to tool for uncovering unauthorized electronics in any environment. Trust the Sword 24S to reveal what others can't see. Third, the Hidden Lens Detector. Utilizing binoculars with red and green LED lights, this device easily spots hidden cameras, ensuring your privacy in any setting. Never be caught off guard with the Hidden Lens Detector. Lastly, the Thermal Camera Phone. This powerful device captures thermal images, detecting heat signatures that are invisible to the naked eye. Perfect for finding hidden devices and ensuring no area is overlooked. Stay one step ahead with the Thermal Camera Phone. Together, these 4 tools make up the Tscm Kit, your ultimate defense against unauthorized surveillance. Designed for professionals, the Tscm Kit provides the reliability and precision you need to secure your environment. Tscm Kit. Trust. Security. Peace of mind. Protect your sensitive information with the Tscm Kit. Contact us today to learn more and enhance your security measures.